Ano? Video? Ano?
O, video na yan.
O, video. Yaw! Yaw!
I took so long time. So
Itak-tak mo. Itak-itak.
and I never felt was simple. And I thought that I won't belong. And now that I am leaving, now I know that I did something wrong.
Cause I miss you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I miss you. You say I only hear what I want to. I don't listen hard. I don't pay attention to the things that you're ready to anyone, anywhere. I don't understand if you really care. I'm only hearing negative. No, 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 bad. So turn me around, turn me around. And this woman that's singing my song. The lovers in love and the others run away. The lovers is crying cause the other won't stay. Somebody's over me when the other one is dying. It's a baby, but we're going. And I thought it was forever, but now it's sure. Anyhow, or anywhere with you. I bet somebody not leaving. I thought that I was stronger. I thought that I could give, I could leave up, but I know that I was strong. Cause I missed you. Yeah, I missed you.
Yeah, I miss you, babe. I miss you.
Para kanino ba?
Walang ganun tanong.
Yeah.
And you say,
Yes.
Lasayang ka?
Ako lang, ano, ilaw.
ang hirap nakakanta niya, tapos kakargayin mo pa si Joshua.
Ayun nga eh.
Malamig pala. Doko-doko lang!
Doko-doko.
S-Guns 2007 in the
I
house.
want to.
Yeah.
Doko saan?
Ano?
Let's get it up, yeah.
Yun yung iniisip ko, doko.
Doko deska.
Doko-doko.
Hindi kasi si Joshua Bulon.
Ah.
Eh, yung Pedro Penduko.
Yeah.
Doko-doko. Pag ako kumakanta ng ibang kanta, no, no, no! Doko-doko lang.
Yeah, ito mukhang doko-doko to.
Gusto niya, Team Sumin ng Pedro Penduko.
Yan po ang new word
Parang
for the
si
day.
Kero Kero Pito.
Yan. Doko-doko.
Yan ang naglagay na yun.
Sige, par.
Dali mo na.